Hello students. In the last video we have discussed little different points regarding to the quadrilateral. Means we have discussed about the angle sum property and then sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral. After that I am going to start the next point from this lesson. The very important point and the very simple point from this lesson, you will come to know that when you will read the title of this point. What is that point? Look here, kinds of quadrilateral. What is written over here? Kinds means different types of quadrilaterals are there. Now we will study about the different types of quadrilateral. Here I have written the first name. The first name is trapezium. What is meant by trapezium? How to identify trapezium? Which are the main characteristics or the features of the trapezium? Those all points we are going to discuss in this point. I am going to start this. The name of the point is trapezium. Okay. Let me first of all tell you what is the definition of the trapezium by using the figure. The quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel. Do you understand what I said? The quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel is called as trapezium. What I said is called as trapezium. Okay, means for example like that. Look here. For understanding purpose I will draw here one figure. Okay, look this figure carefully. Suppose I have given name here A, B, C and D. Okay, what I told definition, the quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel is called as trapezium. If you will observe carefully, AB and DC, those are little cross lines. Suppose we will increase, then it may happen they will intersect. But if you will observe carefully, AD and BC, those are straight lines and it is not possible they will cross or they will intersect with each other. I will use here, look here, those arrows. Those arrows shows that AD is parallel to the BC and the definition is going to satisfy over here. The quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite side is parallel is called as trapezium. Means in this quadrilateral ABCD, what? In quadrilateral ABCD, AD, we can write over here, side AD is parallel to the side BC. Side AD is parallel to the side BC. Got idea what I said? Do you understand what is meant by trapezium? Trapezium is nothing but the quadrilateral who is having one pair of opposite side is what? Parallel. This is the symbol of parallel. Okay, two straight lines I have drawn over here. This is the symbol of parallel. Here we can say in quadrilateral ABCD, AD is parallel to the BC. If like that situation is there, in one quadrilateral, suppose a pair of opposite side is parallel, then that quadrilateral is known as trapezium. That quadrilateral is known as what? Trapezium. Okay, this trapezium is having another type that we can say subtype of the trapezium. The name of that trapezium is isosceles trapezium. Okay, isosceles trapezium. What I said? Isosceles trapezium. What is meant by isosceles trapezium? Okay, or isosceles trapezium. What is meant by isosceles trapezium? Isosceles trapezium. Look and try to understand. I am going to explain it. In this definition, I told you the trapezium who is having one pair of opposite side is parallel. In this isosceles trapezium, what is the definition? Look here. The trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal, that trapezium is called as isosceles trapezium. Okay, do you understand what I said? This is the figure of trapezium. Once again I will draw this figure for our better understanding purpose. The trapezium who is having one pair, look here, trapezium means what? The quadrilateral who is having one pair is parallel. But isosceles trapezium means what? The trapezium who is having, look here, one pair parallel, that is correct, no problem. Otherwise we can't say that is the trapezium. Do you understand? One pair is parallel, but important thing, the non-parallel side, those are the non-parallel sides. Suppose I will take same name over here. For our better understanding, PQRS. In this quadrilateral PQRS, PS is parallel to QR side, PS is parallel to side QR, and very important thing is that PQ is congruent to the side SR. Do you understand what I said? Try to understand what I said. Look here, isosceles trapezium means what? The isosceles trapezium is nothing but the trapezium who is having non-parallel sides. A pair of non-parallel side is equal. Equal means congruent to each other. Got idea? Okay. The trapezium in which non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel mean those who are not parallel to each other. ये अगर equal हो जाए और एक side parallel तो होती है, इसलिए उसको trapezium बोलते हैं. Okay. But non-parallel side suppose equal means congruent to each other, means the length of PQ is equal to length of SR, then that is known as isosceles trapezium. Got idea? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. This is known as trapezium. This is the first type of quadrilateral. Okay. Now I am going to write here second name over here. Look here once again. First type I have started over here. What is the name of first type? Trapezium. In this first type, I have shown over here, in this quadrilateral ABCD, one pair of opposite side is parallel, and in this isosceles trapezium, if you will see carefully, then you will come to know that one side is parallel, one pair of opposite side is parallel, but another side is what? Congruent to each other. That's why it is known as isosceles trapezium. Now I am going to start the next point, means next type of a quadrilateral, that you know that very well. Second type, I think you will learn about it, kite. You are too much interested in kite flying, but if you will see carefully the shape of the kite, then that is also one type of quadrilateral. Suppose someone will ask you, what is the definition of kite? Okay, then you should not say it is just a flying toy. It is not a flying toy. Remember, the definition of kite is also given over here. What is that? I will tell you. Look here. The quadrilateral in which exactly two distinct consecutive pairs. The quadrilateral in which exactly two distinct consecutive pairs of sides. Okay, exactly two distinct consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. Means what? Look here. This is a kite. Okay, I will write here name LMNO. The quadrilateral in which exactly two distinct consecutive pair. Exactly two distinct consecutive pair means this and this and this and this. Those pairs are equal to each other. Remember, it's very, very important. Look carefully, you will come to know that. What is meant by kite? You will understand it. Okay, if you will observe carefully, then you will come to know that exactly two pair. Exactly what I said? Exactly two distinct consecutive pair. Exactly two distinct यानी कि different. Exactly two distinct consecutive pair. Consecutive यानी कि जिसमें एक पॉइंट कॉमन है, इधर भी एक पॉइंट कॉमन है, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली टू डिस्टिंक्ट वो सेपरेट तरह से फॉर्म होती है. ओके, तो इधर काइट में क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? इधर देखो, हियर इन क्वाड्रिलैटरल, विच इज क्वाड्रिलैटरल, और वी कैन से काइट आल्सो, वी कैन से LMNO साइड LM is congruent to the A symbol है congruent का, is equal to the LM is congruent to the LO side LO, and MN is congruent to the ON side. MN is congruent to the side ON. This is known as kite. What do we have to call? Kite. Do you understand? Look once again. What is the definition? And according to the definition, it is given over there. If you will see carefully, then you will come to know that what I said definition, the quadrilateral in which two distinct consecutive pair of what? Quadrilateral respectively. Remember, it's very important. The quadrilateral in which exactly two distinct consecutive pair of sides of a equal length, यानी कि टू डिस्टिंक्ट कॉन्सेक्टिव पेयर ऑफ साइड कैसी होती है? इक्वल लेंथ की होती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? काइट. ओके. Then the third type I am going to start look here. This is also very very important and you well known about it. Okay, we have discussed many points regarding to this. I am going to write here name, look and try to understand. And the third type is parallelogram. Parallelogram. In the name only you will understand. Parallel. In the name only it is there. Parallel. But what is parallel? Look and try to understand. I am going to show you. First of all, let me tell you what is the definition of the parallelogram. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. A quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel, that quadrilateral is known as parallelogram. Means for example like that, look here. Suppose I will draw here figure for understanding purpose. Look this figure carefully. Here this side is parallel to this side is parallel to this. Means in quadrilateral, I will give here name, no problem. Look here, P, Q, R, S. In this quadrilateral, P, Q, R, S, PS, side PS is parallel to the side, which one? QR. And side PQ is parallel to the side SR. The quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. The quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Opposite means front sides. The quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel known as what? Parallelogram. Do you understand? It is known as parallelogram. Okay. Okay. Look here once again I will show you. Today I have shown you three kinds of quadrilateral. Three types of quadrilateral. First type, which is the first type? Look carefully, you will come to know that. The first type is trapezium. Trapezium means what I told. The quadrilateral who is having one pair of opposite side is parallel, that is known as trapezium. In this trapezium, one subtype is there, that is known as isosceles trapezium. Okay. In this isosceles trapezium, what is the additional point? One pair of opposite side is parallel, but the non-parallel sides are there. That pair is congruent to each other, means equal to each other. That's why it is known as isosceles trapezium. Next, kite. In this kite, what I told, the quadrilateral in which what happened? Two distinct pair of opposite sides. Two distinct pair of opposite sides are equal. Equal in what? Length. यानी कि इसकी जितनी LM की जितनी लेंथ है उसकी उतनी LO की होती है. MN is equal to ON. What idea? Next, what I shown? Parallelogram. Parallelogram means what? The quadrilateral in which a pair of opposite sides, or the quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel to each other. The quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel to each other, that quadrilateral is known as parallelogram. Okay. The next, I am going to start the next point regarding the parallelogram. ये हमने already study किया है. Elements of parallelogram. What I said? Elements of parallelogram. We will use this figure only and we will study the elements of the parallelogram. First point, opposite sides. What is first point? Opposite sides. Okay, which are the opposite sides? Look here, elements of the parallelogram में opposite side यानी कि फ्रंट साइड जो हमने इधर लिखी है वही है PS and QR, PQ and SR. Okay, do you understand? Means opposite side which one? Side PS and side which is QR, and second one PQ and SR. Side PQ and side SR. Got idea? Understood? Next, this is the first element of the parallelogram. Second element, opposite angles. Opposite angles, इसको पहचानना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए मैंने बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लेसन ऑल्सो बेसिक पॉइंट्स बताए हैं. Opposite angles of parallelogram, P and R, Q and S. Opposite angles means angle P and angle R, angle Q and angle S. Those are opposite angles of parallelogram. Which angles I have written? Angle P and R, Q and S. The next point, or we can say next element, that is known as adjacent side. Adjacent sides, you know that very well. Adjacent side means what? The side those who are having one point common. Look here, adjacent side PQ and QR. First I will write side PQ and side QR. Next one, side QR and side SR. Side SR. Okay, next one, side SR and side PS. Side SR and side PS. Next, side PS and side PQ. Side PS and side PQ. What idea? Do you understand? Those are which one sides? Adjacent sides. Next one, number 4, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, देखो इधर कौन कौन से adjacent angle होते हैं, फिगर में देखो, you will understand. Okay, P and Q, Q and R, R and S, S and P. Got idea? PQ, QR, RS, SP. Okay, इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Adjacent angles. You know that very well. Last time भी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. P and Q, Q and R, ये सिंबल है एंगल का. R and angle S, एंगल S and एंगल P, इसको बोलते हैं adjacent angles. Those are very important elements of parallelogram. ये 4 पॉइंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है और बहुत अच्छी तरह से जिसको मालूम है वही ये पैरेललोग्राम के एग्जांपल्स और पैरेललोग्राम के फीचर्स अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है. गॉट आइडिया? अपोजिट साइड्स, अपोजिट एंगल्स, एडजेसेंट साइड्स, एडजेसेंट एंगल्स, दोज आर नोन एज एलिमेंट्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? गॉट आइडिया व्हाट आई सेड? ओके, तो आज के लेक्चर में मैंने क्या बताया, देखो आज के वीडियो में मैंने क्या एक्सप्लेन किया है. आई हैव स्टार्टेड द पॉइंट, द नेम ऑफ द पॉइंट यू नो दैट वेरी वेल. Kinds of quadrilateral. In that first type I have started trapezium, the quadrilateral who is having opposite pair of a quadrilateral who is having one pair of opposite side is parallel. इधर हमने लिखा है, उसमें ही सब टाइटल है, यानी कि सब टाइप है आइसोस्केलस ट्रेपेजियम. द क्वाड्रिलेटरल हु इज हैविंग वन पेयर इज पैरेलल, ये तो है ही है, और दूसरा यानी क्या, वन पेयर कॉन्ग्रेंट. जो नॉन पेयर बचती है, जो दूसरी पेयर बचती है वो कॉन्ग्रेंट होती है. काइट में क्या होता है? A pair of distinct consecutive, it's very important, a pair of distinct consecutive sides. इधर देखो A और A, इसको बोलते हैं distinct consecutive sides. A pair of distinct consecutive side is what? Equal, यानी कि congruent. Equal in what? Length. उसकी लेंथ इक्वल होती है, उसको बोलते हैं काइट। और लास्ट में मैंने आज तुमको बताया, अभी इसके और भी टाइप है वो हम देख लेंगे, लेकिन आज के वीडियो में देखो पैरेललोग्राम। पैरेललोग्राम यानी कि क्या होता है, द क्वाड्रिलैटरल और क्वाड्रिलैटरल इन विच अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल, इसकी अपोजिट साइड एग्जैक्टली पैरेलल होती है, इसको बोलते हैं पैरेललोग्राम। देन आई टोल्ड यू एलिमेंट्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इन विच द फर्स्ट पॉइंट अपोजिट साइड्स, second point opposite angles, third point adjacent sides, and fourth point I have explained here adjacent angles. I hope so you got idea about it. I am going to show you now notes page that you have to copy down as it is in the notebook. जो definitions मैंने बताई वो सारे definitions मैंने इधर दिखाई है, ध्यान से देखो और ये नोटबुक में कॉपी करो। ओके देखो, पहले ट्रेपेजियम, देन आइसोस्केलस ट्रेपेजियम, देन काइट, okay, then after this kite I have shown you parallelogram, then ये एरोज है, एरोज क्या दिखाते हैं, पैरेलल साइड्स। then elements of parallelogram, opposite side, opposite angles, adjacent side, adjacent angles. I hope so you got idea about it. In doubt you ask me. Okay, remaining points will continue next lecture. Thank you.